Today I'm going to show you that magic. It's called VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP. They're not just formulas, they're your search engine inside Excel. We'll build a working lookup system, find names, employee information, salaries, and more, all with a single formula. And wait till you see what XLOOKUP can do that VLOOKUP can't. Let's say you're an HR assistant and you have a list of employee IDs. Your boss asks, can you quickly find their name, department, and salary based on just the ID? Manually? That's a pain. With VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP, 3 seconds, done. Here's the sample data that we have. We have 4 columns. First is the employee ID, name, department, and salary. Let's say you type in an ID like E003 in cell G2 and you want Excel to show the name in cell H2. First up, the classic VLOOKUP. It stands for vertical lookup, which means it searches down a column. Formula is equals to VLOOKUP, open parenthesis G2, comma, A2 to D5, comma, 2, comma, false, close parentheses. What this means is the G2 is what we're looking for, which is the employee ID. Then A2 to D2 is a table where we search. The number 2 is what we want the second column of the table, which is the name. And then the false, we want an exact match. Boom, Ann Lopez shows up. Fast and clean. But there's a catch. What if the employee ID is in the last column instead of the first? Or you want to search from right to left? VLOOKUP says no, but guess who says yes? XLOOKUP. Formula is equals to XLOOKUP, open parenthesis G2, comma, A2 to A5, comma, B2 to B5, then close parentheses. Let's break it down. G2 is the ID where we're searching for. A2 to A5 is where to look up the employee ID column. B2 to B5, what to return, the name. And guess what? You can flip directions, handle missing data, and even set default messages. Add default value if not found. For example, equals XLOOKUP, open parenthesis G2, comma, A2 to A5, comma, B2 to B5, comma, then double quote, not found, then close parentheses. Now, if you type an invalid ID instead of an ugly error, Excel says not found, clean, right? You can use this for searching prices from a product list, looking up grades from a class record, pulling out emails, addresses, job titles, even combining it with dropdowns. Want to go to the next level? Try it inside if statement from a dynamic responses.